Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be making a potion called Witch's Brew. Now this activity is so fun and it's a good way for us to practice our math. Are you ready? This is Bo. Bo, can you say hi?
Hi.
Today, Bo is going to be helping us make our Witch's Brew. Now, Bo, this is what we're going to do. I have 2 dice. We're going to roll the first dice to see what ingredient we need to add to our potion. Then we'll roll the second dice to see how many. Over here, I have a chart that tells us which ingredients to add. Okay, so let's begin. Bo, would you like to roll our dice?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Look, Bo got the number 1. Bo, can you look on our chart and see what we need to add? The eyeball. Bo, can you roll this dice to see how many eyeballs we need to add? A 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add 4 eyeballs to our Witch's Brew. 1, 2, 3, 4. High five! Good job. Let's roll again. Bo got a 3. 1, 2, 3. Bo, look at our chart. What's this?
Snakes. Where's the snakes? Right there.
That's a snake. All right, let's see how many snakes we need to add to our potion. Bo, can you roll this dice? Let's see how many snakes. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add 5 snakes to our Witch's Brew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. All right, we're gonna roll again and see what ingredient we need to add next. Bo, can you roll the dice? Bo, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is number 6 on our chart? It's a skeleton. Now let's roll our other dice to see how many skeletons to add. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Let's add 3 skeleton bones to our Witch's Brew. 1, 2, 3. High five, Bo. Good job. Bo, would you like to give our Witch's Brew a mix? Can you stir it? It's looking spooky. All right, time to roll again and see what we need to add next. The number 2. Bo, what's on our number 2 chart? Spiders. All right, Bo, how many spiders should we add? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 spiders. 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job, Bo. All right, let's roll again. Bo, look what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's number 4? Oh, the monster fingers.
Monster fingers.
Can you roll this dice? What number is this? That's a 1. Bo, can you add 1 monster finger? Just 1. Very good. Mix it together. Okay, Bo, one more ingredient. Look! Bo got a 5. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bo, what's number 5 on our chart?
Bat.
A bat. Let's see how many bats to add to our witch's brew. Oh my goodness, he got another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bo, can you add 5 bats? 1, 2, 3, just one. 4, 5. Let's mix up our witch's brew. Ooh, it looks spooky and slimy. Bo, did you have fun making our witch's brew today? Yeah, I hope you had fun too. Go ahead and try this at home with the materials listed below in the video. We'll see you next time at my preschool place. Goodbye!
Hey there, friends! If you liked this video, you can find hundreds more over at our website. Go to www.mypreschoolplace.com or you can follow the link below.
There, you can access all of our videos and download worksheets and activities to go with them.
We have hundreds of worksheets and activities to keep you happy, engaged, and learning at home.
Can't wait to see you there.